Safest time in America.
Who do you trust? Separate fact from fiction. Stick to the facts. Global News, Canada's trusted news.
Weather specialist Lee Vu here with a check-in on your forecast, and the reason why I'm wearing a comfy, cozy sweater is because seeing a lot of snow for our friends in the Maritimes, and up to 20 centimeters of snow, in fact. So if you have an opportunity to stay nice and cozy inside, it is definitely going to be a lot safer and a lot more comfortable, especially if you're in the Halifax area or pretty much much of Nova Scotia. In fact, that is why snowfall warning is in place for much of the province, with that snow arriving in the western portions of the province early this morning, and by the mid-morning, that system is going to make its way through Halifax and bring with it up to 20 centimeters of snow. So this low pressure system, you can see it right here, it made its way from Montreal and then made its way, of course, out east. And the good news is by Friday, everything's going to be completely clear and calm, but expect that system to stick around well until later this evening, bringing with it 10 centimeters of snow this morning, and then an additional 10 into the evening for Halifax. So something to keep in mind, especially if you have your travel plans. Otherwise, looking at the rest of Canada, everything is quite calm out there. Not even seeing any rain in towards Vancouver. One thing we are keeping an eye on is some early morning fog. This will likely lift into the next few hours towards Saskatoon, Prince Albert. We're seeing very much near zero visibility. So if you're driving early in the morning, just be extra cautious and take some extra care. And if that fog advisory carries over in towards regions Manitoba as well. So besides that, everything's more or less calm. A nice mix of sun and cloud in Vancouver, 9 degrees there. Kelowna, slightly cooler at 7. Edmonton, Calgary, 7 to 9 degrees with some sunshine. That sun carries over all the way to Winnipeg, although it does get a little bit colder. And temperatures today in the city of Toronto expected to climb to 0, if not +1. It is going to be mainly overcast with some peaks of sunshine here and there, and also the risk of some flurries. But once again, not seeing a whole lot of accumulation in towards the city of Toronto, but with temperatures sitting around freezing, if not slightly above. Be careful of those slick conditions out there as the snow begins to melt. Complete opposite story, of course, for our friends in Nova Scotia. Up to 20 centimeters of snow starting this morning, not quite tapering off until late into this evening and calming down before the end of this week. And that's a look at your forecast.
Winning and wearing an Olympic medal represents a dream come true and a return on the countless hours of training and competition. But a number of medalists at the Winter Games in Italy haven't been able to wear their hardware for long. They're reporting the medals are falling apart just minutes after being presented. Brendan Shannon